what are the project types? What are the project types we get, and what are manufacturing, pharma, retail projects, cloud projects? What are the tasks SAP MM consultants do? Yeah, I think almost I answered in the earlier one. What are the project types we get? Like I mentioned, mostly you will get implementation project. Okay, support projects. Implementation projects, support projects, and like I mentioned, support project only, but the team will always work on change requests. They don't work on the normal incidents and all. That team always work on the any config changes or new requirements. Okay, that's high senior people will be taken to that kind of departments. 5+ years or 4+ years of experience people. Okay, sometimes 6+ only will be given to that kind of a roles. And the testing. The project is only the testing. You are joined as a tester, or else you joined as a consultant, but they have a vacancy in that more testing area is going on. So they will give you the testing related activities. So the project types will be implementation, rollout, support, and maybe enhancement. Like I told you, the support team, but they work only on enhancements. And the testing projects. Okay, mostly you will involve into the testing area. Somebody will do the config and just ask you to do the testing. You have to execute the test scripts. Okay. So what are these pharma manufacturing? These are all the domain. So which client you are working, right? For example, multiple different kind of domain companies are going to use SAP. Okay, if you see the clients, there are pharmaceutical client will be there, and there are food industries related and retail. Okay, retail projects, the cloud, different projects. The cloud projects means the latest HANA on cloud or anything they are going to take it. So I think the question wise, manufacturing, pharma, retail, these are all the domains. Okay, these are the cloud, the latest on-premise or cloud. That's the technology different. So this is not the domain. Okay, these things: manufacturing, pharma, retail, service industries, and even you can say food industries, oil and gas industries. Okay, and insurance companies, IT industries. Okay, these are all different domains we work on that. So 60 to 70% is more or less same for everyone. The 30 to 40% difference will be there based on their products, based on their operations. Okay, what are the tasks MM consultant do? Yeah, the similar way. MM consultant, if he is in support project, he will support the business by handling the tickets. What tickets are being assigned to the consultant, he will work on that. Okay, if it is implementation, he will understand the business process and provide the respective solution. Okay, only the business process will be different. Solutions wise, 60 to 70% same for all the clients. The 30 to 40% is based on their specific processes. We need to customize the solution. So the task wise, more or less same for any kind of industry. If it is pharmaceutical and all, batch management and more quality approvals, those things will be there. And in case of retail projects and all, you can see the inbound delivery and the rough goods receipts. Okay, those concepts will be there. And manufacturing, yes, they may have batch management, and the serial management also will be there, serialization. And manufacturing means most of the raw material procurement. Raw material procurement and making a finished good and selling the finished good. So the more raw material procurement and most of the direct materials. Okay, so if it is service industry, direct materials are very less, mostly the indirect materials like paper cups and stationery items or papers. These kind of things will be in the service industries. Okay, if you take construction companies, they will have the cement, iron, these things they will take it. So based on the domain, the type of materials what they are going to buy, and how they are going to store it. Okay, the construction and all, they don't keep the materials for years, for long time, right? So they're going to construct a building, they will procure for 3 months or 2 months, and they will finish it. Okay, maybe 5 months project or 8 months project, they will complete it and they will go for a new building construction. Manufacturing, it's not like that, it's a continuous process. So they always procure based on their requirement or based on the manufacturing, and which materials are fast moving, they will buy more, and slow moving, they will buy less and store in their inventory for usage of next 3 months or 4 months. Okay, based on the forecasting which materials they are going to produce more. Okay, so currently COVID situations, this masks, sanitizers, these companies never expected such a demand in their life, right? In their lifetime. Now they have increased their capacity and they increased buying of the raw materials because they have to make the sanitizers and masks and hand gloves. These are things currently it's running fast, right? Okay, so like that they have to plan the tasks